Is Rockfon X-Edge the right choice for the ceiling in your next building project? With 5 tips and tricks for a quick, easy and perfect installation, we aim to convince you. Tip number 1. Let's start with what X-Edge is and what its benefits are. X is a concealed Rockfon tile edge. With this edge, you can make a concealed grid ceiling with an elegant and continuous ceiling expression. To install or demount the tile, you just get into the groove on one side. On the other side, you have space to take the tile in or out. In this way, you install only from below the grid, and you benefit from a low installation height and full demountability. Another important benefit is that X-Edge is symmetrical, unlike the asymmetric concealed shiplap edges, for example D-Edge. This means that the integration of modular lights and services is much easier. Tip number 2. Choose your installation system, single or double layer. Consider the following points to help you decide if you need to use a single or double layer system. 2 systems are possible: the T24X single layer system and the T24X DLC double layer system. The single layer system has a standard modular grid layout in one layer. It's easy and fast to install for small to medium tile dimensions, and a very low installation height of only 67 mm is possible. Also, the integration of services is easy. In the double layer system, there are 2 layers of parallel T-profiles that are connected with the DLC clip. Because you can slide the tiles, installation is very easy for large tiles and the perimeter tiles. Brick patterns are possible. And depending on the allowed ceiling deflection, you can save up to 33% suspension points. Tip 3. Simple but very important. You're not there if it ain't fixed and square. If the grid is not square, the ceiling joints will not be aligned. The grid is square if the diagonals are the same. To make sure that the grid stays square, fix it to the wall. You can do this quickly and easily with a Rockfon wall and bridging bracket. Tip number 4. Check our perimeter finishing and surface integration solutions. The first perimeter solution is the combination of the L wall angle and the wall and bridging bracket. If you choose this solution, you have to know that the horizontal side of the L wall angle needs to be 15 mm lower than the horizontal side of the T profile. So the crosstees need to be lifted with a bracket or a filler block. Our wall bracket can be easily positioned at the right height. The second perimeter finishing solution is the W1015 shadow wall angle. This aesthetical pleasing wall angle trim lifts the T-profiles 15 mm for easy T-profile installation. For perfect mitered edges, the use of a saw is needed. Alternatively, you can cut the ends and use some flat corner caps. The wall spring fixed is an important accessory of our perimeter finishing solutions. To make sure that the perimeter tiles stay perfectly positioned, we recommend the use of the wall spring fixed. To mount the spring, just push it between the wall and the wall angle. The X-Edge back cutting knife is also an interesting tool. It provides easy perimeter tile mounting in the single layer system. How to use it? Cut the perimeter tile to size and turn it around. Cut with the X-edge knife a 25mm wide piece from the back. Slide the tile over the cross-tee, install and slide it onto your wall angle. Nice and easy. The Rockfon X-edge light frame. This is an aesthetically pleasing solution for basic flat surfaces such as modular lights. The frame conceals the gap between the tile and the grid. To install or demount the frame, just use the same methodology as for the X-edge tile. Get into the groove. The last tip, tip number 5. How to mount the double layer clip. Put the double layer clip on the bottom profile and slide it to a slot. Make sure you place the small hook part into the slot. Hold the back of the clip with 2 fingers against the profile. Then push on the front side in the middle to click the clip together. You can see the connection at the small hook part. To connect the top profile, squeeze the upper part of the clip together and slide it into the slot with a click. Your connection is ready now. Would you like to see more about X-edge? For installation videos, take a look at the Rockfon YouTube channel. On our Instagram channel, you can find great case studies. And on our website, you can find our system descriptions. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the experience. Until next time.